Hi everyone, this is my introduction video, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about me. My name is Kirsty Woith. I'm a first-generation college student. I went to California State University of San Bernardino to get my bachelor's degree in business management. I was there for quite some time before I realized what I really wanted to do, but I was already too far along in the program to stop and start something new. So I just went ahead and finished, and I graduated in 2016. I'm currently at La Verne to get my multiple subject credential. And last semester I decided that I was going to get my single subject credential since it's only one more class and the CSAT test for whatever subject I chose. So I'm going to go with history. And I'm also going to get my master's in technology while I'm at it, because why not? This picture is a picture of myself and my favorite professor that I met while I was at Cal State. His name's Dr. Kerwin, and he was by far the best professor that I've had throughout the entire time that I've been in college. And he's the only one that I took a picture with that day, besides my family. This is my dad's side of the family. My parents divorced when I was really, really young. So this is my dad, my stepmom, my three brothers, two sister-in-laws, soon-to-be sister-in-law, and my two nephews. This is my mom's side of the family. I have a half-sister and my stepdad and my nana, and she currently lives in Las Vegas. They just made that move and tried to convince me to go, but I decided that I was going to stay here and finish school. I am a 7-year veteran ski instructor. I started teaching ski lessons in Big Bear, California when I was a senior in high school. I actually used to ditch school to go teach ski lessons on Fridays, and I would stay up there the whole weekend. A couple years ago, I took the extra step and decided to take the extra training to get my PSIA Level 1 ski certificate, which means that I can go pretty much anywhere in the country and teach ski lessons. You have to have this certification if you want to teach in Mammoth, Australia, New Zealand, in anywhere in China. So that was probably my biggest accomplishment as a ski instructor because it's not easy. And as you can see in this photo, I wear Mickey ears, and believe it or not, my students nor my coworkers know who I am unless I'm wearing these Mickey ears. So if you've ever been up there and you've seen an instructor wearing Mickey Mouse ears, it was more than likely me. These are just a few of my favorite things. I am an avid Disney lover. I have a pass. My uncle works at Disneyland. When my pass can't get me in, he can. And I also love coffee. If I could have an IV of straight black coffee, I would take it. Coffee comes first, no matter what. I love working out, and I recently joined Orange Theory Fitness. I'm currently working out in Rancho Cucamonga until the Glendora location is open, which is hopefully going to be soon. If you're looking for a great workout with still a small gym feel, but still have that motivation and people holding you accountable, this is a great option. Come join us. It's amazing. I love baseball, football, and hockey. I also love the movie The Sandlot, and The Blind Side is also one of my other top favorite movies besides Remember the Titans. I don't really have a team when it comes to baseball. I'm more of a fan of the game. You'll see me probably wear something Dodger related come baseball season. I am a Chicago Bears fan. My family's from Chicago. When my nana and my great grandma came from Italy, they came to Chicago first and then moved to California afterwards. And I also love hockey. I'm a Kings fan. Go Kings go. Although my boyfriend is a Ducks fan, so we have some friendly competition during hockey season. Deciding to become a teacher was probably the best decision that I've ever made. Any job that I've ever had has always revolved around teaching, whether it be ski lessons or swimming lessons. I was a lifeguard for a little while. I also love tutoring when I find some free time. It was not an easy decision to make, even though I knew that that was what I wanted to do. My parents wanted me to go to college to become a doctor like my grandpa, who was the anesthesiologist at San Dimas Hospital for a while. And when I finally decided to tell my parents that I wanted to be a teacher, my mom was the last person that I told. And she told me that I was a disappointment and that I had wasted 5 years in college for no reason. Since then, she's come around a little bit, but they both still give me a hard time about deciding to become a teacher because they don't think that I'm living up to my fullest potential. But it's the happiest that I've ever been, and I can't wait to have my own classroom with my own students and be able to do what I love every single day. I'm currently a substitute teacher for the Etiwanda School District, and I love, absolutely love being in the classroom and have fallen in love with so many different grade levels. And that is probably the biggest reason why I've decided to get both credentials rather than just my multiple subject, is because I would be thrilled to teach at any grade level because there's something special in each one that I've fallen in love with. And just to be teaching is what I really want to do in life. So that is a little about me. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see your videos.